Oh, don't say that. Ooh, don't say that. And you do it more nice. Hi guys, મારું નામ તાનિયા છે અને મારો YouTube ચેનલ પર આપનું સ્વાગત છે. નવરાત્રી આવ્યો, દિવસનો ઉજાલો. તમારી તૈયારી કેવી ચાલી રહી છે? શું તમે પણ આખી રાતે ડાન્સ કરવા, સરસ ભોજન ખાવા, મિત્રો સાથે ફરવા અને સૌથી વધારે પ્રાર્થના કરવા માટે ઉત્સુક છો? તો ચલો હવે વધારે સમય બગાડ્યા વિના વિડિયો શરૂ કરીએ. I apologize for any of the mispronunciation. It's Garba season, so I'm excited to sparkle and shine. And today we are going to create this jaw-dropping, head-turning makeup look that's definitely gonna make you the star of Garba night. So grab your makeup brushes and dive in. First things first, we're gonna start with a clean canvas and we're gonna cleanse our face. For that, I'm going in with my trusty salicylic acid based cleanser from CeraVe. Take a few pumps in my hand. And, of course, get some water. I have a bowl of water right next to me. And cleanse our face. Let's cleanse, cleanse, cleanse. Focus on the nose, because that's where your girl gets really, really oily. And that's where my makeup budges a lot. So I'm gonna make sure the pores are squeaky, squeaky clean. I'm gonna wash off this cleanser and be right back. I'm back. This time I'm gonna do my skin prep a little bit differently because I don't want to be worried about touching up my makeup any time of the night. I just want to enjoy and dance all night but still look stunning. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a big bowl of water with some ice and give myself an ice bath facial. Something like this. And I'm gonna dunk my face in for around 10 to 15 seconds so that my pores go. And what that will do is it will prevent excess sebum secretion so that my makeup stays put and won't move around, especially around my nose. So I'm gonna dunk my face right in. This really woke me up. Now it's time to moisturize and prime. For my moisturizer, I'm going to use a vitamin C moisturizer. It's from the brand Derma E. It's my favorite moisturizer. I've been using this for around 2 years now. And I'm gonna just massage it in. Now let's dive into the eyes. I'm talking about drama, drama, drama. I'm gonna prime my eyes first using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer. I'm gonna take a little bit on a concealer brush and apply on the top of my eyelids. Then I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender and blend the concealer in. Now to set the eyelid concealer in place, I'm using this Morphe's eyeshadow palette. It's called the Natural Wonder, and I'm going in with the lightest shade available in the palette and just apply it very lightly on the top of my eyelid. What I'm doing next is I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Nude Medium palette and I'm using this shade right over here. Just take it on a soft blending brush and apply it all over on my eyelid. What I'm gonna do next is a wing liner, but I'm really bad at doing it myself, so I'm gonna take my trusty old sellotape and put it right over the edge of my eye, like so. And next I'm gonna draw a winged eyeliner. I use the tape as my guide and I use this liquid eyeliner from Stila, this dual-ended eyeliner. I really like it because the one end has a tiny micro tip and the other end is the original intense black Stila tip. I'm going to use the original end of the Stila liquid liner as my guide on how long I want the wing to be. So I'm going to start with something like this and yep. And then I'm going to just draw it over my eyelid like so. And if you feel like you've messed up the shape of the eyeliner, you can just go in with a Q-tip, take some micellar water, just very little, not too much, and clean out the shape of the eyeliner and the areas where you kind of messed up your eyeshadow. Take a little bit again on the fluffy brush and tap it back on. Now let's add some glitter for that extra oomph. What I've done here is I've used a liquid eyeshadow and I used a lip liner brush, and I drew another eyeliner using my black eyeliner as a guide and drew a line over it. Once you're happy with the glitter line, I'm just gonna go back and fix the black eyeliner part. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take like a flat eyeshadow blending brush and take this darker shade right here, very little, and smoke out the outer part of my eyelids. Blend out with the fluffy blending brush. Now for the base, I'm going to use this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and I'm going to take very little, just a pump. I'm not gonna apply like a heavy layer of foundation, just a really light layer of foundation. Instead of a foundation, you can also use a BB cream because I just want to even out my skin tone. Gonna apply some dots, top of the neck. Blend the foundation in using a damp beauty blender. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna apply some setting spray just on the foundation because I did not put any primer. And I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, which will guarantee you a long lasting makeup. Once that's dry, I'm gonna go in with my trusty Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and apply under my eyes and go back in with the beauty blender and blend the product in. And I like to take the product up on my temples a little bit more, just to kind of elongate my face a little bit, and take the product up a little bit on the bridge of my nose to kind of contour it as well. Once the concealer is nice and blended, I'm going to use this translucent setting powder from Laura Mercier. Take a little bit, and using a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna set the concealer under my eye so that it doesn't crease and it doesn't budge. I'm gonna start from my eye and then I'm gonna go all over my face to set the foundation in a little bit more, and also apply over my nose. Next, we're gonna tackle these brows. I'm gonna use this spoolie brush and comb my brow hair. Then I'm gonna use my favorite Benefit brow pencil in the shade number 4 and start filling up my brows. Once I'm happy with my brows, I'm gonna set the eyebrow hair in place using the Benefit's 24-hour Brow Setter Gel. Now to contour my face, I'm using this Physicians Formula's Butter Bronzer. And I'm gonna take this on a fluffy brush right here. This is in the shade Sun-Kissed. Tap off the excess and start from the outer portion of my face and blend in. Forehead. I like using a bronzer and a fluffy brush because it creates a more natural looking contour. So I'm going to apply a little bit on my nose as well. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite product. It's the Pixi On The Glow blush and it's in the shade Ruby. And I really like using a foundation brush to blend out this product on my face. I'm going to take a little bit on the brush. Again, start from the edge of your face. I'm gonna focus the product more on the high points of my face to create a nice and rosy glow. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes using my eyelash curler and get my lashes ready for those several coats of mascara. For the mascara, I'm using the Too Faced waterproof mascara. Waterproof is a must when you're dancing. That way you don't get run down mascara lines all over your face when you're dancing and you're all sweaty. Now it's time to shine. I'm going to use my NARS Duo Highlighter Blush Combo, and I'm going to take the product on a fluffy blush brush. I'm going to take both of them, both the products, and just pop on my cheeks because we are here to shine, quite literally. A little bit on my nose too. Then I'm going to take the highlighter on my finger, just a little bit, and pop them in the inner corner of my eyes and blend it in. And a little bit on the eyebrow. And pop on some coats of mascara on my bottom lashes as well. For my lips, I'm going to create my own lip color. So I'm going to use these two shades right here. This one is called Vampire, it's from Kat Von D, and this is a nude shade from the same brand, Kat Von D. I'm going to take a little bit of both the product on the back of my hand. I'm just going to mix these two colors in on the back of my hand using a flat brush. Just going to do that and apply on my lips. Once I'm happy with my lip color, I'm going to take a little bit of that same highlighter and pop them on the top of my lips. And to finish off my look, I'm taking inspiration from Deepika Padukone's look from the movie Ram Leela. And I'm gonna take black bindis and apply them at the base of my neck. Like so. Another one. And she has it. Here, right here too. One final coat of setting spray to set the makeup in place. I'm gonna put my jewelry and my chaniya choli and be right back. So this is the final look. Don't forget to share your looks with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is quirky_lens. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.